Today I'm doing an unboxing. Something simple and affordable that's hopefully good. We'll soon find out. This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. Let's start the unboxing right now. It's going to be very simple unboxing. Again, I'm not big on unboxing. I don't get free stuff from everybody. I just bought this on, by myself, and I paid for it out of my own wallet. And I'm a cheapskate, so this is something cheap and hopefully good. We'll soon find out. Typically, these items sell for $75, $85, $100 on up. And if you get the super fancy ones with motors, you're paying several $100s. But this is pretty cheap. I paid $23 at Walmart.com. So let's see if it's any good. We're going to open it up, this box, and see what's in there. Yes, I'm not a professional unboxer. That's a very specific skill set. So, again, I got this from Walmart. I ordered it online. $23. I'm a cheapskate. What can I say? So let's see if it's any good. This is part of it. It's a little, camera stabilizer. I hope to use this on my Panasonic Lumix G85. Right now I'm shooting this video with my wife's GH5, and we're going to see if it's any good. So this is part A. And this is part B. Looks pretty good. Looks gigantic. It actually looks pretty large. So there's part A and part B, and this attaches under here. Okay. I'm also going to add this little Arca Swiss adapter plate on top of here, so I can attach my cameras on and off. You still will have to adjust it, forwards and backwards, and do all kinds of adjustments. So in part 2 coming up, I'll adjust this thing for my camera and see if it actually is worth $23. Again, I only spent $23 for this. Is that a deal or not? We'll soon find out. If my camera breaks and falls to the ground, and my $1,000 camera falls to the ground, or my $2,000 camera falls to the ground, it's not worth $23 if it's a piece of crap. We'll soon find out. Check out part 2 coming up in a few seconds. So it took me about 15 minutes to set this all up and get it about 95% balanced. The trickiest part was this right down here, was getting it a little off kilter and getting it right. I put a little Teflon oil right here, something that's make it nice and slippery, and that sort of helped. I put some, lubricant in there. It's all of a sudden went straightened up. I go, what? It's that poorly manufactured in China that it was a little rough in there. It needed some lubrication. So with a little lubrication, as in life, it works a little better. I have my Rode Video Micro on top, and then I have this little lens cloth here, and then my strap here. If I was to be perfectly super professional, I would take this off and take my strap off, and it would be 100% balanced. I'll never be 100% balanced. How can I expect my camera to be 100% balanced? That's asking too much. So I'm going to go outside and do some test videos. I'm going to walk around and report back. I'll be back in a few seconds, okay? This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I'm now outside in my suburban Fort Worth neighborhood. It's about 100 degrees outside. It's very hot. My wife's in Berkeley right now. She's enjoying those 70-degree temps. Yes, I wish I was there right now, enjoying that great California weather. So this gimbal works pretty good. Not great, just good. It has its limitations because of that ball head. It's not the best quality. You know, that's where all the action takes place in the gimbal. Also, when the wind catches the wind muff here, it turns it into a wind sail. So it goes its own individual direction. Right now the wind's pushing it to the right and up, which ain't good. So I'm going to end this section of the video. Don't forget, let me push it back this direction. Don't forget to send me your comments and questions. Again, this is my review of the $23 Walmart camera stabilizer. This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I was just outside in the sweltering 100-degree humid heat of Fort Worth. It's horrible here. My wife's in Berkeley right now at the University of California at Berkeley doing some research and working on a book project. I'm using her camera because she's gone. Don't tell her. So this is going to be a great little video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And what do you think of the footage just before this, my outro here? What do you think of the footage? Do you think it was any good? I'm going to look at it right now and check it out. And leave some comments. Don't forget, it's only 23 bucks. It's not the greatest gimbal in the world. It's not $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or $200, $300, $400, $500. It's $23. 2, 3. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm up to almost 700 subscribers. By the end of the year, maybe I'll be at 1,000. Dare to dream. That's my philosophy. Dare to dream. So, gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.